Hello students, welcome to the new video of class 10 mathematics construction part 4. In the previous video we explained all the topics of the class 10 syllabus. In this video we explain some important questions, and same process you have to construct with me. I will explain the questions and construct in front of you. You also construct with me. So let's start. Get ready with the geometrical pretest. The question is, draw a line segment AB of length 8 cm, taking A as center. Draw a circle of radius 4 cm, and taking B as a center, draw another circle of radius 3 cm. Construct tangent to each circle from the center of the other circle. So, first you draw a line segment of 8 cm. AB. Then draw a circle of radius 4 cm, taking AG as center. Taking B as center, draw a circle of radius 3 cm. We want to construct the tangents of both circles from the center of the other. So, if we see only this circle, we want to tangent draw from the P point. This circle is, ignore them. So, this circle B is external point, we want tangent just like this. So, for the external point process, construct the perpendicular bisector of AB and get the midpoint. And you know, if this is 8 cm, this is 4 cm, so this is the midpoint. M is the midpoint. So taking M midpoint and the radius MB, draw a circle and cut all 4 parts, because for this circle this is also the midpoint. So from B, join this. Suppose that BP and BQ are the tangents of this circle, and again if using this center, join this. So AR and AS is the tangent of this circle, second circle. So what is the step of construction? Take a line segment AB of 8 cm. Then with A as center, draw a circle of radius 4 cm. With B as center, draw a circle of radius 3 cm. Then find the midpoint of AB. If AB is 8 cm, so we already get the midpoint M, that is 4 cm. So taking M as a center of radius 4 cm, draw a circle, and this circle cut the both circle at two points PQ RS. So when we join BP and BQ, this is the required tangents of first circle, and AR and AS are the tangents of second circle. Okay, thus the question is completed. I hope you understand. Draw yourself. Take the next question. let ABC be a right triangle in which AB 6 centimeter, BC 8 centimeter, and angle B 90 degree. BD is the perpendicular from B on AC. The circle through BCD is drawn. Construct the tangents from A to this circle. This is an NCERT question and it also come in board examination of 4 marks. So let's see how we construct it. You also try to construct with me. So let's see. First we want to draw a triangle ABC, that is angle B 90, AB 6 centimeter, BC 8 centimeter. So first we construct a right triangle. BC 8 centimeter, at point B construct right angle. Then AB is 6 centimeter. So with the use of compass of radius 6 centimeter, cut an arc. This is 6 centimeter. This is 8 centimeter. This is C point. That's a required triangle ABC. Then the question want BD is perpendicular from B on AC, means from B, from the external point, perpendicular drawn on AC. So for the perpendicular with B as center, taking as a radius just little more than AC, just like you get 2 point and cut outside, so you get the another point joined with B, so you get the right angle from B on AC, that is BD. Second step completed. Third step, a circle through BCD. BCD you want to draw a circle. You know this is a right triangle. If this is a right triangle, so BC is the diameter. So BC diameter, you want the center of the circle to construct the perpendicular bisector of BC. M is the midpoint of BC. That means M is the center of the circle which is passing through BCD. Taking M as center or MB as a radius, you can check. This circle is passing through all 3 points BCD. A circle is passing from BCD. Then next step, tangent from A to a circle. If you see A is a point, external point, and AB is perpendicular on BC, this is 90. So first tangent AB means AB is the tangent because radius and the external point line drawn make right angle. So this is the tangent. So AB is one of the tangent. Question 1, tangents So from A, measure AB, because tangent of external points are always equal in length. Cut here. Then join them. Suppose that P. So AB and AP are two tangents from A. So what is the step of construction? First step, draw a line BC of 8 cm. Then at point B, construct right angle. From B as center of radius 6 cm, cut an arc. You get BA. Join AC, thus the required triangle ABC. Next step, you want the perpendicular. So from B as center, cut an arc just more than AC. This arc intersect AC at 2 point x1, x2. Take x1, x2 as the center. Cut another arc outside the triangle. And this point join with B. Thus the required perpendicular BD on AC from B. Thus construct the perpendicular bisector of BC at intersect at M. M as the center, MB as a radius. Draw a circle. This circle is passing through BCD point. Then from A, AB is perpendicular on BC, so AB is the length of tangent. So taking AB as a radius, draw another arc on the circle, that is P. So AB and AP is the required tangent of circle. Okay, I hope you understand. Draw it.